Hello guys, hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I would like to talk about the procurement. So all of you are familiar with the term of procurement. So let's talk about the procurement and its types. So first of all, let's start with the introduction of procurement. So procurement is a strategic and comprehensive process through which an organization identifies its needs, sources, and selects suitable suppliers, negotiates agreements, and acquires goods, services, or works from external sources. It extends beyond the act of purchasing to encompass the full life cycle from initial requirement planning through contract management and supplier performance, ensuring the right quality, quantity, timing, and value while supporting operational efficiency, managing risk, and achieving long-term organizational objectives. So this is an introduction about the procurement. So the simple way you can say that the procurement is securing of goods, works, or services from external sources for an organization day-to-day operational activities. So let's to talk about the procurement objectives. Uh, there are some objectives related to procurement. Number one, better price. It means paying less than the fair market rate for the identical quality, delivery term, and risks, not simply choosing the cheapest good. It means that we should always select the cheapest price while meeting the quality are the best things for our organization. Not always the cheapest good will be acceptable for us. Good quality, acquiring good services that consistently meet defined specifications with minimal defects or reward. So it means that we should always procure the best quality goods for our organization or company. Supply relationship management or SRM focuses on building long-term strategic partnership with suppliers rather than maintaining only transactional buyer-vendor relationships. And one of the most important objectives of procurement is to build the most professional relationship with a supplier. It means that suppliers are professional partner for long term, and we should build a professional strategic partnership with our suppliers. Timely delivery. Materials and services must be available when needed to avoid operational disruptions, production delays, or missed deadlines. So that's other the objective of procurement is timely delivery. We should always try to deliver the procured goods on time, and we should prevent the delay to to prevent the disruption in our day-to-day operation of organization. So let's overview in the procurement process. Procurement process overview is a high-level view of all steps an organization follows to acquire goods, services, or works from identifying a need to managing the supplier after delivery. It shows how procurement moves from planning to execution and then to performance management. So, overview procurement process overviews, as I mentioned, that this is a range or this is the overview of steps that all organizations follow to acquire goods or services or construction from uh, identifying up to supplier management. So the number one is needs identification. In these steps, all organization identify its needs. So what to buy, where, and how to buy. The second one overview is selection of supplier. The organization follow the step that they will select the qualified supplier that meet or deliver it is goods or services for the organization requirement. The third one, purchase order. After the selection of the supplier, the purchase order or the contract shall be awarded or issued to the selected supplier. After the issuing the purchase order and contract, the supplier is responsible to deliver the items or services uh, to the organization predefined places or warehouses. And after receiving the delivery of goods, the technical side of the organization will inspect the received or delivered goods or services from a supplier. So let's talk about the main types of procurement. There are some types of procurement you should know about it. Number one is direct procurement. This involves purchasing goods that are directly used in the production of a company's final product. Example, raw materials, components, manufacturing parts. So it means that every manufacturer company needs the raw materials to manufacture the finished goods for end user or their customers. Any raw materials, components, or manufactured parts which are used for production or of finished goods. Indirect procurement. This covers goods and services that support business operations but are not part of the final products. Indirect procurement, those procurement that are supportive for the direct procurement, like example, office supplies, IT equipment, maintenance service, internet service, or something supportive items or services. Service procurement. This involves hiring external service providers rather than purchasing physical goods. Example, consulting services, security services, cleaning or facility management. These are the service procurement. The fourth one is goods procurement. It's clear. So procurement of physical, tangible items like machinery, furniture, or materials. Example, raw materials, finished goods, capital goods, or something. Works from procurement. Works procurement. Procurement related to construction or infrastructure project. Example, building construction, road development, renovation projects. And the sixth one is local procurement, purchasing from suppliers within the same country or region. Example, food and hospitality, construction, infrastructure, manufacturing and industrial, professional and corporate services. So local procurement, when an organization or company procure, it is procurement activity or project within a geographical area. This is called local procurement. Global or international procurement. Sourcing goods or services from foreign suppliers. And benefits, lower cost, wider options. Risk, logistical, currency, regulations. So when we procure or acquire our goods or services from out of our country, it means we are going to procure internationally. So it will be risk for our company, our organization, like logistical problem and delay in the delivery of the goods or services, custom problem. So something else that will be a problem for international procurement. Strategic procurement. Long-term value-driven procurement aligned with business goals. Example, strategic sourcing and category management, supply relationship management, risk management, and dual sourcing. Tactical or operational procurement. So day-to-day purchasing activity focus on immediate needs. Example, processing purchase requisition, spot buying, ad hoc purchases, three-way matching, and invoices processing. Expediting orders, managing small value tail spend. So any activities or purchasing process that we are needed to buy or acquire day-to-day for our operational activities called tactical or operational procurement.